guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I just want to end the year with just thanks for everybody who's watched the videos over the course of the year. I hope you really enjoyed them. Thanks for anybody who subscribed this year, anybody who's been a long time subscriber, and to any recent new subscribers, thanks very much. And thanks for liking and dropping any comments that you did throughout the year. So I just want to thank you for that. I've had some great adventures, you know, from being in Waterford to around the southeast, up to Dublin then for my Bonneville as well. Started off the year with the Phaser, and that was a fantastic bike. And then when I seen the opportunity then to get the Bonneville, I couldn't turn it down, and I haven't regretted it a day since. It's been an unbelievable bike. It's down there now under the covers, the Bonnie Rebel. And I need a good wash because it got a lot of salt on it over the last week or so, the way the weather has been here in Waterford. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to 2023 and getting out on the adventures. And I have a few little things that I'm going to try to get you as the viewer to interact with, and make the adventures more spontaneous as well, if they're not spontaneous as it is. That's my nature anyway, so I do it, but I think it'd be a good idea. It's a bit of fun as well, really, you know, and so we'll see how everything turns out or what everything lands on. That's a little clue, but I just want to try something new, you know. I've 186 subscribers as I speak now, you know, which in terms of the YouTube world isn't massive, but for me, you know, I'm delighted to have 186. If I can get to 200, that'd be fantastic. But I appreciate, like I always say in my videos, to everybody who tunes in. It's just journaling my journey as a beginner biker. Hopefully next year I'll get rid of the L-Vest. That would be a major goal, as I speak about as well in the videos. But, you know, there's new places to go to, and that's what I want to do. I want to go more around Ireland, find more places. So I have more stuff in my notes on my phone. So I have a couple of places planned already. Well, planned as in places to go. When I go, I don't know. We'll see what it turns out, and see what way the weeks turn with work and all that kind of stuff as well. But I'm hoping to upgrade my audio as well, and that with the Rode mics. So hopefully that will get rid of all the static and all the wind and all that kind of stuff as well, and make it more crisper and easier for you to understand, because I know it is muffled at times as well, and believe me, it's really annoying for me. So I can imagine it's somewhat annoying for you as well. But look, thanks for sticking with the channel, and it's only a young channel, and hopefully I progress more the more places I go, but mainly it's because of you, the viewer. So if you have places you'd like to see me go, and that you've never been, and you don't ride a bike, or you haven't been up there on the bike and you'd like to see me go there, just throw it down in the comments, you know. Don't be afraid to have the comments, because as you can see throughout the year I always chat back to people as well, and that's the main thing, just to be more interactive with you, with yourselves. I try it on my side, so if you can drop a like on your side, not a like, drop a comment on your side, we have a chat, let me know what bikes you have, what plans you have for your bike next year, and are you going to document them on the YouTube channel as well. You know, don't be afraid to share some of your stuff as well, and you know, get recording your stuff, because it's actually a great thing for your own journey. Even if you don't make a YouTube channel, keep your own videos and stuff like that, and as well, it's good for the traffic that's out on this road as well. So if anything happens, you have it on your camera, you know. So it's definitely worth doing. But I get into it because I just wanted to journal my own bike life, I suppose you'd put it, and yeah, I've loved it. Now I took a break there during the year and stuff like that, but it was great because it actually made me miss it. It actually made me enjoy the break, but I came back fresh then with different ideas and stuff like that, and I'm always going to try to progress a bit more. I think I might do the Itchy Boots mastery course. She does it on vlogging and stuff like that, and shows how to use your camera properly, or use the angles and edit properly and all that kind of stuff as well. So you know, it's a progress in time really for me to get better at everything, because when you learn on YouTube and when you learn on editing the videos as well on the GoPro, there's probably loads of stuff I'm not using on the GoPro as well myself that I should be using, all that kind of stuff. So I'm always trying to think of different things, and hopefully later on in the year then 2023 I get another GoPro, which will be great, you know, for angles, and you know, gives you different views of what I'm doing and all that kind of stuff as well. So I want to be more creative with my videos, but you know, not overcomplicate things either. But that's just a basic rundown of the year that I've had, and the year that I'm looking forward to then as well. So look, there's loads of videos. I've over 100 videos now. I've definitely more than 100 now anyway, so I haven't counted them in a while, but I've definitely gone over that mark deliberate, because for me, if the quality is not good enough, then I'm not going to put it out. You know, look, my videos are not going to be perfect, and you know by watching them they're not going to be perfect, but hopefully they're improving in some way, and they're different from when I started off, which I know they are. But you know, just to get that consistency in good videos, and yeah, that's just the basic breakdown of what's been done on my channel before and what's ahead. There's a promo video as well, you can watch that. If you haven't watched many of my videos, you might get a little taste of it without having to go through videos and all that kind of stuff as well. And whatever keeps you subscribing and watching, fantastic. If you want to share it with everybody else, you can. If not, I still appreciate it. So yeah, just a big thank you, and I wish you a safe new year, and I hope you've had a good 2022. If not, have a great 2023, and hopefully I'll see you on the road. Yeah, so I just wanted to address, as we're coming to the end of 2022, I probably won't have another video out now before the new year. So thanks very much for watching. Until next time, Deise Rebel out.